So my name is Tannah and I studied work education at Melbourne Polytechnic, Preston. So I was really lucky because part of the curriculum of doing work education is that you do work placement. I was helping out in the animal house and now I've applied there and I'm studying. I really enjoy it. It's very hands-on and I'm a very hands-on person. I love that. I'm really lucky. I've been offered to work actually and be an employee in the animal house, a casual job. That's what I hopefully want to do pursue in the future. I'd rather want to do dog grooming or something involving arts or animal attending, a lot of animal jobs. I was on the phone to my partner and that day had been very busy, so I was very busy day, chaotic day, And my mum knocks and she's like, "Oh my goodness, you just won the Student of the Year award. Did you know that?" And I was like, "What? I didn't know this. That's crazy." And then I started crying because I was so happy and I was shocked, but I felt really seen in that moment because I feel like I really put my best foot forward in that course and I really tried my very hardest, even tried extra. I feel like I have a bit of a saying, it's not only do your best, do extra if you can.